Common and proper nouns. Hello children! In this video, we will learn about common and proper nouns. Look at these sentences. This is a beach. There are tall coconut trees on the beach. Birds are flying in the sky. 3 children are playing with a ball on the beach. Words such as beach, trees, birds, children, and ball are called naming words or nouns. Common names of persons, animals, places, or things of the same kind are called common nouns. Common nouns begin with small letters, but a common noun at the beginning of a sentence begins with a capital letter. Now it is time for some practice. Take a look at this picture and fill in the blank with the correct common noun. Ready? First one. Sharath is watching blank. The answer is television. Did you get it right? Let us try another one. Mehak is eating a blank. That is right. The answer is mango. Now let us learn about proper nouns. The special names of people, places, animals and things are called proper nouns. Names of people, months, days of the week, festivals and special days are also proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Some examples of proper nouns are Wednesday, June and Indonesia. Can you tell me which word in this sentence is a proper noun? My cousin lives in France. The answer is France. Did you get it right? Let us try another one. Mahesh has 2 brothers. The answer is Mahesh. Last question. In this one, I want you to pick out both the proper nouns and the common nouns. Percy has a brown puppy. So, the proper noun is Percy. And the common noun? Puppy. Did you get both of these right? That is all for now. I hope this video helped you to understand the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. I will see you again with practice questions.